Hello, how are you guys? I want to talk to you today about an amazing drop that we just got, and I think you're gonna like it. And I wanted to share with you. The new three products that have been dropped are here: is the Totem Scarf, the Freestyle Pink Scarf, and the Liberation Scarf. Let me tell you a little bit about them. So they are part of Vino Supraja scarf collection. um, we still have some available from the previous collection, but these are just new and they're really amazing in color, in quality, really, really awesome. So I want to show you each one of them. So this is the Totem scarf, really beautiful in brown with this little patterns. It's all digitally print over organic cotton, and I know you're gonna really, really wear this a lot. Also because the size is perfect. The next one is this freestyle pink scarf. It's really, really beautiful. See all the print. I know you're gonna love it because the size is really perfect for everything. Now that we are going soon on holidays, take this into account. It's the perfect size. For example, you're going in the plane and you are cold. I don't know, but I always freeze in planes, or you're going to somewhere and it's a little bit chilly. You can wear your scarf like this. We are preparing also a tutorial about how to style a scarf. You're gonna love it. So this one also you can use it to cover your shoulders, and it's cozy and cute. Another thing you can do with this scarf is actually it has this super uh, great size for bustiers that are now so much in fashion. So you can actually create your own bustier if you're by the beach or not. You can tie it up here, or I don't know, you can just do with it, or you maybe want to put it on the back. It would depend on how big your bosom is. Also, you can put them around your waist and have like a little short pareo. So they're really, really the perfect size. Even for hijab, I tried it on. Not great doing hijab, and in here maybe a little bit, but oops, it can also work. Really, really amazing. And I love the print of this one in particular because it's so cool. Really, really love it. Okay, I'm a little bit crappy at this, so I need a little bit of time to fix it. But you picture the idea, right? It really can be super versatile because the size allows for absolutely everything you may need. Um, what else? The last one. Let me show you the last one. Okay, so the last one is the Liberation Scarf, which is this one. It's super pretty, has a beautiful print. Let me show you a little bit because it's a little bit a bigger print, so you don't get to see unless it's really open. This guy reminds me of Alain Delon or Michelangelo. I don't know what you think. Just love it. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and I really, really love this scarf. Really beautiful. Has the same size as the other one, so it's just you choose the print that you like more. Also, another thing that I love about these scarves is that it's a perfect gift. They come in a pretty box like this, so you can actually have like a little drawer, so you can keep it, and it's great for gifts because you don't need even to buy paper or anything. You just can put here a little ribbon and put your message, or even in a little card, and good to go. Just perfect, perfect, perfect. So there you go. Check on the website goshopia.com to find your sustainable gifts, your sustainable fashion, accessories, home decor, beauty, books, everything you can find with us. So just make sure that you check it out, and we will keep you posted about all the new things coming up. Bye.